more voltage for full battery. 5 volts. And then again, 1.5 volts. Plate, meaning flat. The battery now has the openings. You can look in the battery. So sometimes you need to fill 1.5. So then instead of 12, it becomes, because low, it's only like 11.3. So if battery is low, sometimes because the acid, not enough gel, it's like squishy. That's why low. Sometimes we call it low. But it's we don't say amperes, we say amps. New sound. B, like 5, very, yeah, 5. Sometimes, have you seen the measuring? Or sometimes if it can do ohms in amp. If you ever do electrical in America, it's EMT, metal. In America, they do not use plastic or conduit. Wires, cable, wires. Yeah. So wires inside your conduit. And then switch, and then breaker. You know breakers? Yeah. A long time ago they had fuses, or fuse. Now they have breakers. But a car, road, still has fuses. There's little, so like this for a house, they have, for house, is a breaker. But for road, colors, different amps, yeah. So fuse for car, and then when too much current, it breaks, burns, fries. So and you need to replace.
People have to try.
Yeah. Did you drink it?
But not all from one.
Okay. Yeah, you can drink, but it won't hurt you. But if you always drink, strange because your body it takes. It's called what's it called? Osmosis. You know osmosis? Yeah. Osmosis. If you have in the water, and then over time more. So if you only drink beer, then one time enough, 1-2 times enough. But over a long time, then that's osmosis. Alternating current, AC. Do you know AC? Oh, okay. Okay, so 2 kinds of electricity. This is all DC, direct current, like batteries. But the wall, the house, different. AC, alternating current. And 120 volts for the wall, the outlet alternating current. And then negative 120 volts. Positive 120, negative 120. Always switching. And in the United States, Europe and Asia, it's slow. And so sometimes the computer and same 120, but different frequencies. And sometimes the electronics, it does not matter. Sometimes it will not work different. Like you need special equipment. So to change from here to here, we have that. And that does this. If we have not that way. Only this way, through the diode. It's like a gate. It opens one way and it closes. It opens one way and closes. So what happens is if you use a diode, you notice this is up, down, up, down, up, down. So the electricity is going back, like normal, but when you have diode, you can't go back. So it goes up, 0, up, 0. That is diode. Diode turns the AC. It's like a little tiny battery for just a moment, just a small short battery. So work together to make different shape. Higher, it's a voltage, just positive, electricity going forward. So the electricity goes forward and then fills into here. The energy, electricity. And if you have a bigger capacitor, strong diode, then this is very slow to decay. And now, instead of this, you have this. And this is more like direct current, DC. DC is this. 0, 12 volt is like always. That's DC. So this now looks like DC. So AC, and then because diode one way only, capacitor holds the electricity like a bucket, like a cup, stores it. Those two together is that. So these, every single one, every single time you charge your phone, those things is diodes and capacitors. Diodes and capacitors. Diode one way, valve, capacitor holds electricity and keeps it high while you're in the load. Keep low. And the diode keeps one way. So now electricity, instead of going is going forward into your phone. So every single one, now you know, it takes the wiggle, the alternating current, and transforms into, it smooths it until it's direct. And that's how your phone can charge. Sometimes, how many of you have a phone like this where you can set it down in a charge? You know wireless charging? Okay. Wireless charging, different. When you have alternating current in a wire, it's wiggles. And then if you take another wire and you put it next, not touching, but close. This one, wiggling, magnetic fields, invisible magnetic fields, will create current, and the other, induce, induction. And then close by your phone, inside the phone, there are wires like this. And so when you wiggle right next to it, this has wires and it will wiggle and make current in the wire. So when you go and you have this one wiggling and you bring this one close, they start to wiggle together. So this one, from the power in the wall, if I take my phone and I bring it close, it will start to wiggle too, because it's close, and magnetic fields. And then your phone can do this with the wiggle. So inside your phone there are diodes and capacitors to turn the wiggle, this, into battery, DC for the battery, because battery uses DC. So inside your phone, when you use wireless charging, it's the induction, and induced current. So it's different, but same. So either the plug does the rectifying, this is called rectifying or rectifier,